iMindQ offers a wide palette of benefits for professional, individual, and educational use. People who use iMindQ inspire creativity, stimulate thinking, brainstorm, and they provoke innovation. Here from the main menu, we can see all of the maps that we currently have. I'm going to go ahead and show you the iMindQ welcome map so you can get a general overview of what the app looks like, and then we'll come back in and create our own map. So go ahead and tap on that welcome map, and it's going to flip over and show us this map where we can see the main basic idea of iMindQ. We have our mind mapping, we have our general idea in the middle, which has the image, and we have all of our sub-branches and sub-items over on the branches. Tap the plus button and it's going to open up the branches where we can see all of our sub-items, and then I just pinch out and I can see all the different ideas that we can do. So you see over here on the left we have basic text and just shapes that we can use. Scroll over to the right hand side and you see we can even embed images, and we have different shapes and emoji icons that we can use, and we can branch out as many as we want to. Up in the top right hand corner, if I tap the search, I'll be able to search for topics, notes, or links. I can even ask for bug fixes and see the family of tools. Tap the share button up here in the top right hand corner. I can change my background color to whatever color I would like to, or if I tap more colors, I can be able to choose my own color here. You see I can even enter in hue color options such as you would find in Photoshop or any photo editor that offers these color options. The arrows in the top left hand corner allow you to collapse and expand all of the different branches or go forward and backwards as well. Tap back, it'll bring us back out to the main menu. Open up our side menu, we can view different spaces for recent, my maps, we can view some settings, help feedback, and even rate this app. So the settings, we have general settings where we can change our bullet orders, autosave, and change our autosave intervals. So here's our bullet order, we can see how they're ordered, and if I wanted this bullet to be the first one, I can go ahead and just drag it up there and do that. External accounts will allow me to sync with an iMindQ web account, my Dropbox, Box account, or SharePoint accounts. So we'll go ahead and come back out to the main menu, and now to create our own mind map, we tap the plus button in the top right hand corner. Brings us to an empty palette. Here we have our general topic, and now if I tap on that, I'll hit the plus button and it makes a main topic, and now all I have to do is start typing in, and you see I have a bunch of different text options up here. I can bold the text, italicize it, underline it, strike through, change an underline mode. I have a prefix or a suffix. I can even change the shape of the box. So if I wanted to make a hexagonal box, I'll just tap on that. And then I can even change all of my color palettes for text fonts. And I can even import images and view different little icons that I can add in there. So if I wanted to add in the smiley face, I'll go ahead and do so. So you see I've got outlines of blue now, and I've got a hexagonal shape. Go ahead and add this emoji. Swipe over, there's even more icons to use. Come back out to our keyboard. Go ahead and make another subtopic or main topic. Now we'll just type this one. And now we'll make a subpoint. Go ahead and hide our keyboard, and you see the beginnings of our map. So now what I can do is tap on general topic, and here I can go ahead and copy. So I have a plus, copy, paste. I can add new points here, and then I can even add in another subpoint, highlight the whole field here. And then I can go ahead and create a relationship. So if I wanted to make a relationship to a topic, just tap on that, and you see you kind of have a relationship icon going to those different areas. So let's keep adding in a few more main topics, and you see as I add in main topics, it's actually adding them in a specific order for me. So that way I'm not really crowding around too many areas here on my main topic. And then come into one of these main topics here, and I can tap the plus button and go ahead and add in all my subtopics. You'll notice if I tap on here, I have this X, allows me to delete that topic. I can even create a relationship between these two. So if I wanted that to relate to that, I can do so here as well. If I wanted to copy this one and bring it over here to this one and paste it, you see I can do that. There are many options here for me to go ahead and customize this. And again, if I want to change my background color, I can come up here. The share button allows me to link images. So if I wanted to insert an image from my photo library, go ahead and just load up my photos. It'll allow me to import in here. And let's go ahead and choose an image. If I add this one in here, go ahead and move and scale, tap use. You see it adds that image into the topic that I've currently selected. I can link it to hyperlinks to web pages. I have notes that I can add if I want to have a specific note for my presentation features. I have icons again that I can add that we added earlier. change my font colors and styles, and I can even change the basic shape and background of these different shapes for my main topics. So go ahead and change that one. You see as I'm updating it, it's changed the highlight feature and it's changed the shape of the icon to match everything that I'm doing. Tap on the minus buttons and it allows me to collapse these different palettes so I don't have to see them anymore and I don't have to take up so much room on my screen. If I go ahead and zoom in here, I can view this full image here, and then I can again just keep adding on my mind map and keep going on and seeing all the different features that I have. So come back out to the main menu, and now what we can do is tap and select here down the bottom, tap on this map, and what we do is we have some actions. We can send by email, synchronize to our web account, save as an image, and we have conflicts. We can resolve conflicts if there are any. We can tag this if we wanted to tag this for work or for school or anything like that. We have tags that we can use. We can delete this, and if we tap share, tap on the map, and then tap the share button, and we'll be able to share this map with our friends via messages, mail, or Facebook or Twitter. And then again, up in the top right hand corner, we have our search function where we can see any recently opened documents, or we can search for documents if we have a lot of maps going on here inside the app. So once again, this application is called iMindQ. If you like it, pick it up in the iOS App Store, the Mac App Store today.